Hey everyone, it's June and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I am going to show you how to get a lip gloss look like you're seeing right now with your lips being matte. So, I mean, I don't know if you're like me, but when I have lip gloss on, my hair gets on it, it gets itchy, it just feels too heavy. So I wanted to come up with something that is matte on my lips but look like it's wet. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to tell you what you need, and it's just three products, and this is what I'm using for this video. I am using Jordana 99-cent lip liner, which I love. Can't find it in stores anymore, but you can definitely find it at Amazon. I will have the links for all these products down below if you can't find them. This is Jordana, and this is in Cola. It's a very pretty, it's like a mauve, like a wine color. Next, you're gonna be needing Melted Matte in the color Queen Bee, and you can get this at Ulta or Amazon, wherever. And next, you're going to need NYX Roll-On Shimmer. This is the magic right here. This is what's going to make your lips pop and make them look like they are so wet. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is exfoliate your lips. This way you get rid of any dead skin on your lips, any debris. You do not want your lip liner to drag. You ever put lip liner on and then you see like you're like trying to get little pieces off your lip? You don't want that. So make sure you have a nice clean slate. Everything's nice. Don't put any gloss on. Make sure everything's nice and blank like this. Okay. First thing you're going to do is you're going to line your lips. Make sure your pencil is sharpened. Mine isn't so sharpened because I just don't want that sharp look. So here we go. All right. Are you ready for this? Make the lines a little thicker than normal. Just like that. Going to take your Melted Matte. I love this color. It goes perfect. Put a light. You're going to mesh your lip liner and the Melted Matte color together. So it looks like it's kind of like a brush look. Like sort of like an ombre-ish. Like that, see? Do up here. Like that. Okay, and now for the magic. I love this. You can either do it by hand or you can just like tap it on a plate or something, dip your finger in it like so. Put as much or as little as you want, and it just gives the illusion. Let me do a little more, especially in the middle. It gives the illusion that your lips are wet. See how they sparkle? See how they sparkle? Look how pretty that looks. And that is how I make my lips look wet without it actually being wet. They're nice and dry. It stays on for hours and it just looks much prettier, I think, and it gives the illusion that your lips are wet and plumper. So if you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. I will have everything in the description box down below. Don't forget to press subscribe, like, and follow me. Yeah, follow me, just follow me. Have a great day, guys. I hope this was helpful to you. Love you.